Hi. Today I received the SJ-k101 speaker that I bought online. So let's go and unbox it. The box is fully covered with double bubble wrap to protect the box and speaker inside, which made it a little harder to uncover the box. Well, at least, it is fully protected. Although the box has a little dent, the rest of the surface seems to be fine. The dent seems to be caused by the outside pressure from the courier delivery service. As we open the box, the speaker is protected by the two molded expanded polystyrene styro cushioning. The speaker itself is covered by another plastic to protect it from dirt and dust. Wow! Good job, seller. Inside the box includes user manual, remote control, micro USB cable, and microphone set. The speaker stands at 16 inches tall, while the width is 10 inches. With the total length of 8 inches, the speaker looks more sophisticated, with a stylish design. The bottom side has two wheels and a hole at the center, fit for any speaker stand. The top has a fixed handlebar that can be used for lifting or carrying the speaker. It also has adjustable trolley handle, good for pulling. The function keys consist of mic input, mic volume, echo volume, manual mode button keys, charger input, auxiliary in, LED display, SD card slot, USB port, and volume control that also serves as the main switch of the speaker. Aside from usual function of the remote control, it can also be used as radio scanner. Press the mode button to switch to radio. Then press U/SD button to scan and search radio stations. The radio stations will automatically be saved in the memory channels once detected. Modes can also be switched manually in the speaker. Just press the mode button, and it will be automatically displayed in the LED screen. The speaker can be charged using a mobile phone Android charger. The speaker can also be used for video key. Just use a 3.5mm converter to fit in the auxiliary input of the speaker. To connect the Bluetooth with your Android TV, press Menu, then press Settings. Then select Remote and Accessories. Then add Accessories. Select SJ-k101 to pair. Select Pair, and you're ready to go. All connected.
Now time to test the sound.
Sama-sama tayo masaya, ikuti ko
Trolley.